What up, what up? Seen that little, me and my dog was out here riding, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I had to go and do some other things. I'm back out. I guess I'm finna go grab me something to eat right quick, man. I was like, man, I'm gonna take MayRose with me, man. Go get me something to eat right quick. Look, kiwi. But I'm finna go park this thing in the handicap, man. She be acting handicapped sometimes. I don't know why. Well, she handicapped right now, the transmission bed. See? See what I mean? But, yeah, man, I'm just turning a few blocks, man, for the run for grab me a bike right quick. To be honest, I really ain't even hungry. Grab me something to eat right quick, and yeah, go from there. Probably ain't finna do too much more though. It came up the street right quick, and like that, damn, this motherfucker, come. I don't even know if I want to go in here now. If I can't park in the handicap, I'm not going. No, I am not. I forget. It's supposed to be a football game or something. They don't. They're watching. They're probably watching football at this time. Let me see. Is that a handicap spot? Hey, nope. Damn, somebody parked in the handicap. That might cough loud. See if there's another handicap spot out there. If it ain't, then shaking this taco stand. But yeah, that's what we got. So yeah. Yo. Yeah, man. Doing a little ride. Went and grabbed me a bike. What up? What up? What y'all got going on? Huh? I ain't got no ball in him. Yeah, man. Was riding mine, stopped the Hooters right quick, grabbed me a little bike. Now, man, I'm out. Baby just got out of work, so I was like, well, you know, well, I didn't say it. She asked what I ate. I told her. She said she wanted some chicken, I think some chicken fried rice or something. So I'm up here, man, in MayRose, getting us something to eat, man, at her spot that she frequent. You know what I'm saying? Like, she always at this spot. Like, she well, I ain't gonna say always at this spot, but this is what she like to eat at. So this is what she like to eat from. So I'm pick her food up, man, take her to the house. Yeah. I'm gonna probably take it in at this point. Yeah. I'm just sitting here chilling, waiting on the food to get done. Clearing my mind at the same time, man. Just clearing my mind, man. Yeah. It's crazy. is what it is. So yeah. Let me run in here and run in here and get her food, man, and hop back in the traffic. Yo, we back up in here, man, with another one, man. And I got the guys with me, man. Pulled them things out today. Got some copyright up there too, man. I don't know what's going on up there, but yeah, man, we got the guys. Show y'all what we working with. Got old B-Lo. Got big tie. Got big tie there. Ooh, look at that there. Got us a little line up today, man. At least for a little while. I'm sure y'all know who this guy is. Yes, sir. Just hanging out, man. Just doing a little hanging out. Got them guys over there, man.
Set up look better than mine.
Man, go on, bro. I don't want to hear that. I ain't got no rabbit ear on top of my camera. Rabbit foot.
There's a rabbit foot on that.
Yeah, man. He got the rabbit foot on top of the camera, man.
Rabbit foot.
I ain't got no good luck on my camera. Yes, sir, man. We just down here chilling. I'm gonna cut this camera though, man, cause these guys over here, they jamming, they vibing right now. I don't want no parts of it.
They can't give us no copyright for this.
Man, oh, boy, you better believe you gonna get it. They gonna get you.
Oh, man.
They gonna get you. They pick that up.
Yeah.
Man, look at this, man.
Yeah, you
Now we standing out here talking, man. We hear clickety clackety on the tin roof, man. It's gonna start raining. It's gonna rain out our show, man. What's up with that, man? What's up with that? It's all good though.
This is cloud.
No more copyright, man, so I can record now.
Spread it right here first. Spread it right here first. Yeah. Stay humble, stay prayed up. See my boy ripping, man. Oh yeah. Stay humble, stay prayed up.
Finna get up out of here, man. It's finna rain. Y'all see them raindrops, man. Raindrops, man. I ain't gotta act like that. You hating on me? Oh.
No, we connecting.
Oh, okay. Now we competing. We competing right now.
We competing?
Yeah, we competing.
I got time today.
You got a better camera.
You got a better camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You can money bag yourself, man. I got time. Yes, sir. You don't flip your camera around on you. Yours just flip up. Look, I'm talking about big one, man.
You just, man, yours. Man, look, his camera flipped out to the side and then, they're not a robot, man. He doing that, look, he over there doing his all right here on his camera, don't man.
Hey, man. Hey,
cold, man. Cold game.
So, what you about this thing, man?
Are you still ducking me?
Huh?
You still ducking me?
I mean, I already did, man. You gotta do yours. What you talking about? You talking about the verses or the?
Yeah, the verses.
Oh, I thought you talking about getting on that grill. That's what I thought you talking about.
You ducking me on that too? You ducking me on the lamb chops, and he ducking me on his verses, man. P don't want none of me on his verses, man. Nothing. P out here ducking, man. Don't y'all let P fool y'all, man. He don't want to compete with me, man.
It's just a cloud that hang over this shop.
Yeah. It's too much foo-foo going on around here.
That's what it is, ain't it?
Clouds going on.
Right over the shop.
But yeah, man. Y'all finna head to the house?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I guess I'm gonna take it up. Well, yeah, it's about that time anyway. I gotta go pick this kid up. Man, she finna hit everybody. She ain't. Watch out, P. She right on your heels. man. P over there getting that cinematography, man.
How much? Man, so I give you 1,000. Hey, he said how much? How much?
He said one.
Yeah.
He said 1,000.
It sounded like he said give you 1,000. He probably did.
Oh, okay.
Start laughing.
See, that's why. See, I'm like the old dog of the clique. You know what I'm saying? What you say? What was the boy name on Bird Boy? You be like, I know you ain't, know his fist ain't hard as your face, Joe. I'm him. Chill, bro. Look, chill, bro. Bruh, chill. Yeah, man, we finna get on up out of here, man. Get on up out of Mississippi.
Yes, sir.
It ain't rain. I don't think it's raining in Memphis, man. We ain't got to deal with this Memphis.
It's just over the damn shop. I'll holler at y'all, man. All right, B-Lo.
All right, man. Y'all be safe.
Okay, you too, man.
Yeah, man. Finna get up out of here. So, yeah. Finna get on back up this road, man. I gotta go pick my kid up. So, yeah, man. With that being said, man, y'all know how it go. It's your boy below 25. It is what it is.